And out in Whittemore, the Cardinals played host to the Thunderbolts from Mayo. We'll pick things up in the second quarter. Cards leading 14-6. A little miscommunication turns into a quarterback keeper, and Kyle Colton has a lot of free room down the sideline. He finds pay dirt, but you don't see it. Laundry on the field. Holding brings it back, and the drive would stall. The Bolts would show life on the following drive. Colin Spies decides to keep it himself, takes it left side, through a hole. He finds his way into Cardinal territory. A couple plays later, now out of the pistol. He drops back. He's looking, eventually lofts a deep ball inside the red zone, but Shane Nichols, the senior defensive back, makes the beautiful play, his first pick of the season, and the Cards take over. And they would take advantage. Now down on the other end, Colton, the play action, rolls to his left. He would find Sean Edmonds, and the Cards go up 20-6. And that would be more than enough. The defense was strong throughout. The Cards improved to 1-0. 34-6 is your final.